America first, but not America alone. That is President Trump's message. He has arrived in Davos this morning. He's ready to share his America first policy with 70 other heads of state. The commander-in-chief will be the first U.S. president to attend the World Economic Forum in nearly 2 decades. He hinted last night at what to expect from this trip.
The economy is doing very well.
Great.
I'm going to Davos to get them to bring back a lot of money. They're going to invest a lot of money in this country. I made the statement that if we didn't do the regulation cutting, which I think is actually maybe more important than even the tax cuts, but the regulations, I think you would have had a much different situation. But our people are very happy, especially with their 401ks.
But could President Trump face some resistance from globalists for putting America first? Joining me right now here at the World Economic Forum is ING CEO Rolf Hammers. Rolf, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. Really want to get a sense of your business right now. But first, let me kick it off with that, your expectations for President Trump.
Well, I think it's a good sign that he's coming, right? I mean, he clearly has a policy that is more focused on the U.S. first, clearly. I mean, that's the name of it. And you see a divide in the world where you have the EU ex-UK, China, and the Americas ex-US still believing in global trade, and that's the way forward. But the fact that he makes the effort to come over to explain his policy and how it can actually also be good for the world, I think it's a good sign. So it's, yeah.
Ralph, let me ask you, we've been talking a lot about the positives in the U.S., positives in Europe. You're obviously one of the leaders in terms of digital banking. What are you seeing from that standpoint in Europe?
Well, you see that people move into digital banking very, very, very quickly. And we actually get higher approval rates now also of the elderly than the average age people. So you see that digital banking is now also embraced by the elderly, and that's why you see a strong growth there. We keep growing between 1 and 2 million customers a year, and our balance sheet keeps growing on the back of that. So it's a healthy development. It's heavily investing in tech, and it's basically the model of whatever digital retailer can do, but then to banking. That's what we do.
What about lending? What can you tell us about that? Is that coinciding with what we're hearing, this optimism in terms of the consumer right now in business?
Yeah. So what you see happening, not only in Europe, but across the world, you see lending picking up. We're growing our balance sheet anywhere. Well, we're focusing on 3 to 4%, but for the last couple of years, we've been growing 5 to 6%. Also this year, we expect something like that. But the most important thing is that you see lending being well spread across the different industries and sectors, but also in the households. You see mortgages picking up, you see consumer lending picking up. So that's all the support of the economy, because what you really see is that consumer confidence is the highest since 2001. And the PMI index is the highest since they started to measure it in 1997.
Wow.
So you see the economy is really going on all cylinders, and you see a parallel growth in Asia, Europe, and the US and LATAM, and that's unique. That's unique. We should really kind of embrace it and work with it.
But does it surprise you that even though we've got so many positives, you've got capital markets business is just okay, not great.
Yeah.
You look at fixed income trading, and then you've got some lending pockets that are not so great, like lower FICO scores. People.
Yeah, clearly we should still be cautious if it comes to leveraging up businesses, countries, or households too much. We should learn from the crisis and not forget about that.
Exactly.
Right? So that's the really important component. On the capital markets side, actually, on the issuing side, there is a good business. On the trading side, the whole thing, the markets are all going in one direction, right? And with the accommodating monetary policy makes the markets numb for any news, and it's just going into one direction. That's why on the trading side, there's not a lot of money to be made at this moment.
Yeah, there really isn't, and no volatility at all. What's your take on Brexit? When you look across Europe, have you finalized plans in terms of what you're going to do in terms of London being a hub when we don't have really certainty and clarity on what's happening with Brexit?
Yeah, well, this is a real issue, actually, for all of us, not only for the banks, but for all of the businesses in Europe, on the continent, as well as in the UK. The politicians keep, working on this. They have a harsh stance against each other. I think the only way to prepare for this is to expect the worst and prepare for the worst and hope for the best.
How do you do
that?
The only way.
It's, you make scenarios that make you ready to, to get through it. If there is not a trade agreement between Europe and the UK, and there is no real level playing field there, a lot of the exports from the rest of Europe to the UK will be hurt. Banking and banking activities will have to be moved onto the continent. And nobody wants that, but you have to prepare for it. And so you do backup plans. You make backup plans, and you make actually investments in order to support those backup plans as well if it comes to the worst scenario.
So you've been doing that?
Yes, we
have to do that.
Yeah, we have to do that. By the way, regulators on both sides, supervisors on both sides, actually want banks to do that as well, because in the end we should also be careful that this will not be a destabilization of the financial system, and with that having a real impact on the economy.
Real quick, given that you are a leader in digital banking, what's your take on Bitcoin?
Well, there's Bitcoin, there's blockchain.
Right.
So Bitcoin, I don't understand the underlying drivers, so it's not my thing. Blockchain, we actually are experimenting with it. What we have done very recently is we have digitized on the back of blockchain the full trade of soya from Latin America to China with a trader and 2 other banks. We cut back in time from 24 days to 3 days. Oh. And it's fully digital now. And actually, I think we can cut it back from 3 days to 1 day. So you can make it safer, faster, and more efficient, so cheaper as well.
Because of blockchain?
Exactly, yeah. Only because of blockchain. And that's what we're doing. We've done it on oil trade, we've done it on the soya trade, and I really believe in that. And that will bring a lot of efficiency to global trade as well.
Ralph, we'll be watching. Thanks so much for joining us. We so appreciate it. Ralph Hammers joining us, the CEO of ING.